name's Tracy, I work for Sika UK. I want to introduce you to a product called SikaTack 30, which is new to the UK market. It comes in kit form, so I want to show you what you get in the kit. So you get 12 felt applicators, you get 12 decontamination pads, you get 100ml 2-in-1 primer, traceability labels, you get 6 cut and 6 uncut nozzles, and 12 400ml uni packs. Great thing about this has been in a kit form, you can just stuck it straight on your van, everything's in one place. Thanks for watching.